Hey everyone, Dustin back here at Supercar Sunday, Classic Chevy Day. And check it out, I love this car. This is one of my all-time favorites. 4-speed Z28, DZ motor, unbelievable. And the day just started. Check it out. This is always a fun day. These guys have been coming to the show forever.
And then now they're trying to talk me.
Yeah, LS7, carbureted, other LSs. Come back over here. This event's sponsored by Porsche Woodland Hills, and we bring the entire car community together, and that's what we do. These guys right here are the best right here. All of us. So the cars are still coming in. Like I said, it's pretty early. Check it out. This was actually the first car here this morning. Nice LS swapped. That's awesome. Little Jack Daniels right there. See that? That's fun. Another Buick LS. Beautiful.
Usually we kind of spread it out and have a whole bunch of them.
Another beautiful Camaro. I love Camaros. So more cars are on the way. You can see we got everything. Porsche's coming in, Minis. We're gonna do a quick video on this in a second. When I come back, look at that. Looking beautiful. Show winning cars show up. Gotta love it. Another beautiful Camaro. I'm a Camaro guy. I've got a 69 and a 68. Look at that. That's beautiful. Beautiful. So we'll come over here. Now this Camaro is awesome. It's 565. Looking good. Now this gentleman pulled up and I said, I got to give you a special spot because look at this. He pulled in, I said, I know where I'm putting it. Look at that. This is rolling strong right here. This thing is just, good grief, look at that.
There's some cool stuff here.
Look at this. Serious, serious car right here. Check that out. Some serious time and money. Unbelievable. What kind of power are you making with that?
I detuned it down to 350. I had it up to 950.
What's a little bit?
Too much. So I just cut it down. I didn't need all that horse.
I get it.
I've already been through one engine. I'm not going to go through another one.
Well, it's beautiful. Congratulations.
Thank you.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Love that car.
That is cool.
All right, I'm going to go interview some people. Time to have some more fun.